Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Parsio account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to sign into your Parsio AI account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address Parsio like Parsio.io. And guys, do make sure to enter the web address correctly on your search bar and have that on enter on your keyboard, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Parsio, whereas at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login and the sign up button available for you. In order to sign into your account, simply click on the login button first. But guys, if you have not yet created or signed up for a Parsio account, you can always sign up for it. And with that being said guys, on the login page of your Parsio IO or the Parsio AI account, you can directly log into your Parsio AI account with your Google. If you click on this button where it says the sign in with Google, a login page to your Google account will open, and if you log into your Google account over there, you will also be signed into your Parsio IO account or the Parsio Data Structure AI account with your Google account. And with that being said guys, let's go for a manual login. To do that, enter your email address over here with which you have signed up for an account on the Parsio IO, and after that enter your password over here guys. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from here where it says forgot your password button. If you click on this page, you'll be taken to a page where you can or you will be able to reset your Parsio AI account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the login button available over here, and then you'll be signed into your Parsio AI account online on your computer. And then guys, this is how you log into your Parsio IO account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.